In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Copilot not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to fix this is to open up settings on your computer. So type in settings, now click into settings. Then from here on the left hand side, look for apps. To the right of this, click on installed apps. And now under installed apps, do a search. So type in Copilot. And then from here, you want to click on the three dots and click on advanced options. Now you're going to be inside advanced options for Copilot. So from here, scroll down and we can go ahead and repair the app. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So you can go ahead and click on repair and that should fix your issues. Now, if you're still having issues, you can go ahead and click on reset. So if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted though. So you'll be logged out of your account, so you need to sign in and all that stuff. So click on reset. If you're still having issues, go ahead and uninstall the app. And from there, just go ahead and re-download it. Now, while we're inside of settings, also go ahead and make sure your Windows is up to date. So click on check for updates if there are any. For example, I've got an update, so I want to go ahead and download and install that. And also jump into time and language, click in the date and time and make sure these two are enabled. So set time zone automatically and set time automatically.